Soft tissues can be connected by bloody or bloodless methods. The first group includes connection of tissues by sutures. For this purpose, needle holders and surgical needles are used. The example of the second group can be connection of skin by Mitchell's agrafe or staple by means of appropriate apparatus. Needle holders are long, a deep cavity needle holder, or short. In addition, they differ by shape of handles and location of a rack. It's Hager's deep cavity needle holder. On the end of its handles there are two rings for fingers. Branches are short and strong for fixing the needle. This is a short Hager's needle holder. This needle holder with thin flat branches for fixation of the needle is called an atraumatic needle holder. A needle holder without rings on the handles but with a specific rack is called Troyanov's needle holder. This is Mathieu's needle holder. Its structure facilitates the work for opening and closing a rack. This needle holder is called automatic because opening and closing the rack is done only with the thumb. One of its hollow handles contains a bobbin for making uninterrupted sutures. Surgical needles are curved or straight, large or small with their own number. Curved needles, by the form of a cross-section, are divided into triangular, cutting, and round, piercing. Each surgical needle has a double eyelet for threading. Nowadays, traumatic needles are widespread in surgery. A filament is continuation of a needle due to consolidation with its eye. The diameter of the filament is not more than the diameter of the needle for a minimal traumatization, that is, injury of suture tissues. Such needles are held in atraumatic needle holders. Mitchell stapler pincers is used for connection of skin incision by means of a metal agrafe. This is so-called a bloodless method of tissue connection. Mitchell's agrafe is a narrow plate on one side of which there are two sharp teeth penetrating only into the superficial layer of the skin, and on the other side there are two short channels for pincer pins.